everybody, so welcome back to our channel. This is Byron and I'm Tammy if you're new here, and today we are going to do an unboxing video for you guys.
So we have saved for a long time, sacrificing as much as we possibly can so that we can get equipment, and it was worth it.
Yes.
Yesterday was so much fun. Check out my vlog. If you haven't already, we'll probably link it to see the day that we had, and then this is the unboxing.
Yeah. So we went to Outdoor Photo, which is where?
In Pretoria.
In Pretoria, to get some equipment that we're really excited about. We're really excited about it, and we can't wait to show you. So Byron's going to start explaining.
So the first thing we got is this. This is a Canon 50mm prime lens F1.8. Now it's second hand, but it's still amazing. We got it for about a sixth of the price. It has an STM motor in it, so it's a lot more silent than the lens we have right now, and we just really wanted a prime lens. Yeah. So our footage is going to look a lot more beautiful now. It comes with a 6-month warranty. It is warranty, not guarantee. Warranty, I don't know, whatever it is. But it's in really great condition, and we got it for so much cheaper. So
yeah, Outdoor Photo really does strive for good, like, second-hand equipment. So like their second-hand equipment is very trustworthy. So
they want it to be a premium brand.
Yes.
So what's going to happen is we've probably already cut away 2 shots of this with that lens, but everything else when we do the cutaways will be with the 50mm lens, so you can see what it looks like.
Yeah.
Okay, that's number 1.
Number 2. What is number 2, baby? Okay. Okay.
Pull it back up.
Oh.
That is a VideoMicro. Okay, you want to open it. She's going to open it.
It is part of the Rode
Right.
Rode microphone range, and it is the VideoMicro compact on camera microphone. So Byron and I have never had a camera. We have never had a microphone before, so we're pretty excited about this one.
So we wanted to go with Rode, but did you know that you just ripped the box? Did you know that microphones are super expensive? So we went for a very small and fairly cheap one. It does come with a, I want to say windsock. Is it a windsock?
It is a windsock.
You know, that like fluffy thing on the outside. Cass is probably going to be really upset with us because we don't know what it's called.
You should have brought scissors. That's what you should have brought. Can you get this off?
So, this is a very small microphone. It fits on top of the camera. I think it's basically a shotgun. It's got a shotgun mount with a shock absorber of sorts. So hopefully if you're walking and bumping, it won't make that much noise. But we're going to test out the sound. So once we're done with this, everything else in the video will have the mic, so you can hear the difference, hopefully. It doesn't require a battery. It uses the power from the camera, which is great, so we don't have to buy batteries. And we have 2 batteries for that camera, so if it does use too much power, at least we can maintain it.
I'm scared.
Oh, instructions!
You don't often hear that. Okay. Then it makes sense.
Is this silica?
Yes.
You must
Look
keep
at
all your
my
silica.
little windsock. It's tiny.
Look how cool this thing is. It's small and squishy.
Yeah.
Okay, give me that.
Yes.
What, are you gonna pull it out?
Yes.
I don't know why I was feeling that this thing was gonna be light and cheap. This is solid metal. It's heavy. It feels great. Why would you do that?
Because there's a hair on it.
Okay, let's put it on the shotgun. It's not a shotgun mount. Cass, we apologize for not knowing our microphone terminology.
We will get better at it.
Probably not.
Don't Don't be negative.
We will.
We'll get better.
I'm gonna get it on.
Is this an aux cable?
It is
like a form of an aux cable.
It is, yes.
To plug into the camera.
It's a 3.5mm jack.
A 3.5mm jack. Ha.
Look at that.
I knew that.
This is cool.
Was this cool? We have a mic. Should we test it?
We shall test it. We should test it.
Test it.
Okay, so everything else in the video is now gonna have this.
Mic?
Yes. So we should be having better sound now. Hopefully, or else we wasted all our money. No, I believe it will because it's heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy microphones are the best microphones.
And I think any microphone is a step up from no microphone. Once our brownies are ready, we can begin to pour our melted chocolate over the brownies. Once you have poured enough chocolate on the brownies, pick up your marshmallow, some food gel, and begin creating your ghost face. Boo!
Anyway, the moment you've all been waiting for.
That would have been horrifying if it was not empty.
Yes.
Okay. This is what you've been waiting for.
I was looking at the screen, look at the lens.
I'm looking at the lens.
Okay.
We got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Alright, so we were looking for a vlogging camera because the camera we currently have now is the Canon D70D, Canon 70D, and it is extremely heavy to hold. So it's very difficult to vlog with, and it's really big and chunky, so it's like hard to just carry around with you wherever you go. So we wanted something small and compact, and so we looked at the Canon G7X Mark II.
Also to be sneaky, because we get caught when we have a DSLR. Not get caught, we get targeted, I don't know.
I feel, yeah, if we have the bigger camera, then like security guards will come and ask us, like, what are you doing? And then we have to leave because we're not allowed the camera. So I feel this will make it easier. But basically, when I was looking, well, when we were looking for a vlogging camera, I go by word of mouth, word of sight. I don't know, what would you call it if you see someone else using it?
Word of mouth, yeah.
Okay. And the Canon G7X Mark II is really popular amongst YouTubers and different vloggers. So I thought that must be something that is really trusted. So I thought that would be a good idea to invest in. Something that's great about it is it has a flip-up screen, so you can kind of see yourself, see what's in frame, making it easier for you to vlog.
The screen also goes 45 degrees down, so like if you're shooting up here you can still see the screen.
And then again, it's compact, so it's like travel size, and it's easy to just kind of slip in your pocket and take with you. So I really like that about it. And as well as the focus is really accurate, and it focuses really quickly, which I like.
Sorry, I was probably like overpowering your...
It's okay, I just had papers coming and flying everywhere.
Ooh, this is it.
Exciting.
Oh, this is also heavy, which is good. Look at that. Screen folding down.
Oh,
Screen
folding up.
So it is touchscreen, but you've also got a a control ring. You can, it's got improved manual focus as compared to other ones. Here, you can hold it. It feels amazing. There was too much for me. I'm going to try and remember without using my notes, and then we'll see. So, it has an automatic ND filter. So its max shutter speed is 1/2000, isn't it? That is shutter speed, right? What am I saying? Oh yes, 1/2000. So you can still have the aperture wide open and shoot in bright daylight, because it's got an automatic ND filter. And yesterday when we were at the outdoor photo, I wanted to get an ND filter, so now, you know, that's pretty cool. It's also got automatic panning mode. So, for example, if you're shooting a car, if you're taking a photo of a car, it will blur the background for you. you can follow it and it'll be smooth and the background will be blurred. It's got time-lapse functions which already are preset, so like the GoPro you have to figure out what you want. This time if you're doing a star lapse or a night lapse or a whatever lapse, it already blends it, I want to say muxes it, into a video for you, so you don't have to do any post-processing. And it's got all the settings already set up for you. You don't have to choose or set up anything, so it's very quick.
And easy.
Quick and easy. Basically,
It's cool.
it's very cool
It's awesome.
and exciting. But we cannot use it until we charge this battery.
So, we are going to go charge it now.
No, we're not, Tams.
Yes, we are.
We're first going to shoot cutaways of it. Then
Alright, and then we will charge
charge
it.
we're going to take a few shots with this camera. And we'll just write underneath, taken with this camera. We'll actually say taken with this camera.
Taken with this camera.
Taken with this camera. And then so you can see the quality of it. And just our first use of it. How we're finding it. This is exciting.
It is exciting.
Good morning and welcome to day 2.
Yay, day 2 in Bangkok. If you are vloggers slash YouTubers or aspiring to be, I would suggest taking that time to save so you can go and have a day like we did and finally invest in the things that we really wanted to invest in. So save.
Yeah, saving, like when we wanted to go out, we decided, no,
It's okay.
let's not. Let's rather save money. And when we wanted to eat, we decided, no,
It's okay.
we won't eat. So anything that we wanted to spend money on that we could do without, we did without. It did take quite a long time though.
It did, but it was worth it.
It was worth it. It was very worth it.
So not everything comes easy, but everything is possible.
So if you liked the video,
Please give it a thumbs up.
if you didn't like the video,
Give it a thumbs up.
if you are not subscribed already,
Subscribe.
if you do not get our notifications,
You should click on that little bell down below. Yeah,
it's like I'm
because I think it's like, I'm not sure, I think it's on the desktop and I think it's down below. But pressing that little bell lets you, well, notifies you when we post new videos. And also comment in the comments below.
Okay.
Yeah.
Share if
basically.
you would like to as well. Thank you for watching. We do appreciate your concentration time and
Your brain power.
dexterity. Prestidigitation.
Basically,
We
you
done.
should subscribe!